Meron akong picture dito ng process ng mga pag-recycle. Ayan o. Simula sa pagkuha ng mga tao, pagkuha ng truck, hanggang sa naging chemicals na siya. Ayan. Ito yung mga example ng mga recycled products. Yan, yung Sintoron. Mga magazines yan na naging Sintoron. Tapos, naging parang mannequin. Tapos naging upuan. Yan. Tapos yung mga gulong, ginawa rin nilang mga sofa. Tapos yan yung mga bottles. Susunod naman sa composting. Composting refers to a family of processes that can be used to recycle organic fractions of the waste stream into a valuable and product called compost. Yan. Main ingredients ng composting. Composting organism requires four equally important things to work effectively. Ito yung carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and water. Yung carbon, for energy siya. Yung microbial oxidation ng carbon na produce siya ng heat is included at suggested level. Ito yung mga high carbon materials tend to be brown and dry. Yung nitrogen naman, siya yung ingredient that when nitrogen produce and grow more organisms to oxidize the carbon. Yung oxygen naman, is yung ginagamit para oxidize ng carbon para for decomposition process. And yung water is yung we need this in our right amount para ma-maintain activity of process at aerobic conditions. May mga uses ng composting. Yung uses ng composting is generally recommended as an additive to soil or other matrices such as soil and heat as a field improver supplying units and nutrients. Okay. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, and water. Ito yung mga browns, which is yung carbon, and then yung mga green, which is yung nitrogen. And then yung air, which is yung oxygen, and yung water. Ayan siya. Ngayon yung example ng kung paano mag-compose ng mga waste. Yung mga gulay or yung mga nabubulok, ilalagay natin sa lupa or pinapalaman natin sa lupa para maging sustansya ng mga lupa. And that's all.